In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage and upload files using Hostinger and the SRV 1982 Files platform. Whether you're a web hosting beginner or simply looking to get more acquainted with your Hostinger dashboard, this tutorial will guide you through every step with ease. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to head over to the Hostinger homepage. If you're already logged into your account, that's great. If not, go ahead and log in with your Hostinger credentials to begin. Once you're in, locate the Websites option on the main navigation menu. Clicking on this will lead you to a page where you can see all the websites associated with your account. Now, it's time to focus on one website in particular. On the Websites page, you should see a Dashboard button. Go ahead and click on that. This is your control panel's main hub where you can manage various aspects of your selected website. From here, find and click on Files. This section allows you to access your website's files directly, providing you the necessary tools for management and uploads. Next, you're going to want to open the File Manager. The File Manager is essentially your portal for interacting with your website files without needing an FTP client. Once you've entered the File Manager, locate your specific site, which should be displayed as something like peachpuffshark254433, hostingersite.com, or similar depending on your setup. Click on Access Files of Bafam, followed by your specific site name. This will take you deeper into the directory where the actual file operations can be performed. Now that you're in the right spot, look out for a button labeled as File Upload. Click on it to begin the process of uploading files from your local device to your website's storage. In this case, you're likely interested in uploading a mod file, so let's walk through how to do that. Once you click on File Upload, you should see the File button appear as an option on your screen. By clicking on this, you'll be prompted to browse your local machine, find your mod file, and upload it directly to your site's directory. Make sure your file is ready and any changes required are finalized prior to uploading. And there you have it! You've just uploaded your mod file to your website server using Hostinger and SRV 1982 files. Remember, practicing these steps a few times can solidify your understanding, making future file management tasks much smoother. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thanks for watching, and happy hosting!